In this video, I'll show you how to clean up your Mac by removing caches, temporary files, and junk. This will help you improve performance and keep your system running smoothly, while its prime feature will be to clean up your Mac space. So first, let's clear the system cache. For that, open Finder, then click on Go in the menu bar. Click on Go to Folder. In the search box, type /library/caches and press Enter. This will open your user cache folder. Select everything inside this folder and select Move to bin. Enter up your Mac password and click on OK. It will just remove all the cache files that are deletable. Then go to menu and find Go and click on Go to Folder. And this time type ~library/caches and hit Enter. From here, select all the folders and drag them to the bin. Next, let's clear your browser cache. For that, open up your browser. I'm going with Safari, which is the default browser in Mac, and then make it full screen. Then go to history, click on clear history and select all history and clear history. If you are using Google Chrome, just open it, go to the three dots in the top right corner of the window and select settings. Go to privacy and security, go to delete browsing data, and from here make sure cached images and files is selected and click on delete data. To remove temporary files and logs, open Finder again and use the Go to Folder option. Type ~library/logs and hit Enter. And delete everything inside of this folder by dragging them to the bin. You can also navigate to private var folders by going to the Go to folder and do the same with the files that are here in this folder. But here, make sure you are deleting the folders and files which you have confidence that they are safe to remove. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.